Today we will discuss about the present perfect tense and how we can understand that what is present perfect tense. So identification is that after the Bangla verb we can see that aso, asi, asen, esi, eso, esen অথবা নি অথবা নাই. So these are the identification of the Bangla. After finishing the Bangla sentence we can find out how. For example, সে স্কুলে গিয়েছে, দেখো এসে আছে, অথবা সে স্কুলে যায়নি, নি আছে. In this way we can find out that this is the present perfect tense, or something happened before sometimes, কিছু একটা কাজ যেটা কিছুক্ষণ আগে শেষ হয়েছে, এরকম বোঝালে সেটা present perfect tense হবে. Maximally we are speaking, we are going to speaking, or we are conversation, we can feeling our, we can express our feelings or passions or emotion, etc. In that time we are using the present perfect tense. When if you are interested to go to say something about yourself, so you can use present perfect tense. So everywhere present perfect tense is important, and most of the time we are using the present perfect tense. For example, the conversation, you are saying the sentences in this way: I have done my math, আমি আমার অঙ্কটা করেছি. দেখো বাংলায় কিন্তু আমরা in this way we are saying something, আমরা কিন্তু এভাবে বলে থাকি. So in this case the importance of the present perfect tense is too much, অনেক. Okay, so the structure of this sentence is this one, the affirmative sentence. There is no negative marker, এখানে কিন্তু না বোধক কিছু নেই. For this reason we can say that this is present perfect tense. And নি অথবা নাই অথবা না, in this case if we find out, this is called the negative sentence. But in the present perfect tense only we can find out ni অথবা নাই in the Bangla sentence, but English hasn't or haven't. Okay, this one is that interrogative sentence, but the answer is that yes or no. এই সেন্টেন্সের উত্তরটা হবে হ্যাঁ অথবা না. For this reason we can say that this is the interrogative with yes no interrogative. Next one is that for, এখানে দেখো নি আছে but with interrogative. This is also interrogative, this one is interrogative, but this one is only interrogative yes no, but here is interrogative yes no. What is the difference? Difference is here there is no না বোধক কিছু নেই, but in the for we can see the negative. অর্থাৎ 3 নম্বরের অ্যানসারটা মানে হবে হ্যাঁ অথবা না, বাট এখানে কিন্তু না কথাটা নেই, বাট 4 এ 4 নম্বরে নি আছে, তার মানে এখানে না থাকবে. ফর এক্সাম্পল, হি হ্যাজ গান টু স্কুল, হি হ্যাজন্ট গান টু স্কুল, হ্যাজ হি গান টু স্কুল. দেখো এখানে কিন্তু না কথাটা নাই, নেগেটিভ, there is no marker. For this reason you can say that this is the interrogative yes no, but here this is the interrogative plus negative. ইন্টারোগেটিভ নেগেটিভ, যার অ্যানসারটা হ্যাঁ অথবা না, বাট এখানে না আছে. নেক্সট ওয়ান ইজ ডাব্লিউএস. ইউ নো দ্যাট ডাব্লিউএস. হোয়াট ইজ ডাব্লিউএস? হোয়েন, দিস ওয়ান, হোয়াট, হোয়েন, হোয়ার, হু, হোম, হুইচ, হাউ মেনি, হাউ মাচ. So these are the WS. What is WS? For example, what? You know that what is the meaning of the what? কি. Next one, when, কখন. Where, কোথায়. Who, কে অথবা কারা. Singular or plural, everywhere we can use. Next one, whom, কাকে. Which, কোনটি অথবা কোনগুলো. Okay, but this one is material thinking. For example, this is one kind of material. Ink, কালি, this is material. Next one, how, কেমন, কত, কিভাবে. How are you, কেমন আছো. আবার কত, হাউ মাচ, কতগুলো, কত অর্থে ইউজ করা হয়, নো প্রবলেম. বাট নেক্সট ওয়ান ইজ হাউ মেনি, কতগুলো, হাউ মাচ, কতটুকু. So these are the WS interrogative marker. So everywhere we are using these types of WS marker. So in this way, if we understand that how we will make the sentences, then you can ask something. When I was the Rajshahi, in the time I was the student of the university, so the foreigner has come at Rajshahi and he is serving, he is watching, সে ঘুরছে দেখছে, but nobody can ask the question. Alaikum salam. Nobody asks the question, but somebody are looking, and I go forward and then I talk with him and I asked what is your name, from where you have come. Next one, in this way he is speaking with me. So his name was Mr. David and he was an engineer. He was an engineer and he is serving that Rajshahi city, and they will make the construction, that is high level building. So before making the types of building, they need to survey the land. So what is the quality of the land, what's the environment of this area, what's the people's opinion, so etc. He is traveling, but nobody talk with him. কেউ তার সাথে কথা বলছে না, just watching. If a foreigner comes here, যদি একজন বিদেশি এখানে আসে, we will just seeing, watching, but we don't talk with him. আমরা তার সাথে কথা বলি না. But if he is a person, a Bangladeshi person, then what happened? We ask the question, what is your name, where from where you have come, what is your profession? So these are your inquirement or requirement or unknown to know the questions. তোমার এগুলো জানার ইচ্ছা হয় না about that person? So in that way you are asking some questions, but if you don't ask the question, can you understand about that person? তুমি কি যদি তাকে প্রশ্ন না জিজ্ঞেস করো তাহলে কি তার সম্পর্কে তুমি জানতে পারবা? So you need to make the question. So WS question, it's help you to make the questions. Okay, so in this way you can make the question to others. It's essential for the honors level, who are the students of the different categories. But as a student of the English literature, it is must essential, and he can know it everywhere, no problem. Okay, so here we understood that these are the criteria of the present perfect tense, and we can find out that these are the present perfect tense in Bangla sentence. But English sentence is that the structure is that what? Subject, have or has. Next one, the past participle form of the verb. We know how many types of the verb. There are 3 criteria of the verb: present form, past form, past participle form. So different types of categories are the types of sentences. And next one is that negative sentence, subject plus have or has plus not, or you can say that haven't or hasn't, or we can make these types of sentence. And we need also past participle form of the verb and then object, but actually it is not object all where, because we have to know the present, that is a transitive verb and intransitive verb. After the transitive verb we must use object, but after the intransitive verb we will use adverb or prepositional phrase. You know that what are the preposition? Kivya, tell me. To, on, in, up, above, around, into, under, with, over, without, within. So these are the prepositions. Okay, so after the prepositions we can say that after the verb, if the verb is intransitive verb, then we can write down the prepositional phrase or adverbial. But if the verb is transitive verb, that is after this transitive verb we can use the direct object. Okay, so next one, interrogative sentence. This one is what is the name? Kivya? Interrogative, because there is a interrogative marker. So this is the marker. Okay, this is one kind of marker, but this is the symbol. We can say this is one kind of symbol. For example, this, what is the symbol of this? No, victory. This is V, and victory, we have won the game, so we can see victory. And the election, after the finishing the election, who have won the election, they are also showing this. And sometimes who are from the jail in the prison. Do you know what is prison and jail? What is the meaning? জেলখানা থেকে যখন আসে, and they are also showing this. So after the long term they have come from the jail. But it is the one kind of irony or different things. Next one, so next one WS. Next one, number 3 structure, have or has, subject, the past participle form of the verb. Next one, generally object. Next one is negative. So these are the structure of these sentences. If you have the memorization of this structure and this Bangla criteria, then you can produce the sentences in English. In this moment I don't think about this, I am speaking fluently. How it is possible? In the first time I have to think, yes, this is present perfect tense. Next one I have to use subject, verb, object. No, subject, verb, have or has, then past participle form, then object. I have to memorize this, but after practicing more and more, then I don't need to too much thinking. For example, I am asking, what is your name?
Manasibia.
So he is saying that his name is Kigbia. So no need to say or thinking too much. But if the boy is very little boy, can he say, yes, my name is what? For example, a boy who is very little, for example 3 or 2 years. So if asked any types of question, can he speak fluently like you? তোমার মতন কি সে fluently কথা বলতে পারবে? For example, I am giving a race. For example, Kibia and this boy. So if there is a race, who will win? Kibia or this person? কে জিতবে? একটা যদি রেস করে দিই দৌড়ের প্রতিযোগিতা, Kibia. So you know that he is the experienced person. So when I was the student of like you, I can't speak in English, but in this moment I can fluently speak. How it is possible? By practicing. So there is no way to practice. So if you practice cricket, you can play cricket very well, but if you practice fluent speaking, so you can also speak in English, no problem. But when you can speak in English, you can write down essay, letter, paragraph or speaking everywhere, there is no problem. But I am using the simple words, which words is not the aristocratic or different words. I am using very simple words. আমি কি কঠিন ওয়ার্ড ব্যবহার করছি? But how it is possible to speak in English? কিভাবে সম্ভব হলো? In a one day, in a one night? How many times? Maybe more and more times I have given to speaking, listening, writing or reading. So this is important for you. The message is for you that if you give the time in your lesson like the fluency or speaking or these types of skills, then you can also learn. So it is not so difficult, it is easy. But how it is possible? Just listen. So you have to reading and you have to listen. Just practice, nothing else. Okay, so here we can say that there are some examples I have given you. So in this is the present perfect tense, which tense is most important for your writing, speaking everywhere. Okay, and now we will find out another